My name is Prem Kumar K, Assistant Professor of English, Government First Grade College, Chikbalapur. I am going to teach for program BA. Subject is subject is language English, and for the semester 4. So in this session, I am going to discuss about chapter 3, speech on World Humanitarian Day. Life and works of the author. Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie was born in Nigeria in 1977. She was the author of 3 novels. The first one is Purple Hibiscus, second one is Half of a Yellow Sun, the third one is Americana. She also wrote the short story collection called as The Thing Around Your Neck. She is the recipient of Orange Broadband Prize for Fiction, and she is also the recipient of MacArthur Foundation Fellowship. Let me discuss the points once again. Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie was born in Nigeria in 1977, and she is the author of 3 novels, Purple Hibiscus, Half of a Yellow Sun, and Americana. And she also wrote a short story collection called as The Thing Around Your Neck. And she is the recipient of Orange Broadband Prize for Fiction, and she is the recipient of MacArthur Foundation Fellowship. Let us see the introduction to World Humanitarian Day. UN Secretary Ban Ki-moon says about World Humanitarian Day that World Humanitarian Day is annual reminder of the need to act to alleviate the suffering. It is also an occasion to honor the humanitarian workers and volunteers toiling. Toiling means hard working on the front lines of crisis. Crisis means the situation. He means UN Secretary Ban Ki-moon pays tribute, means dedicated, to these women and men who brave danger to help others at far greater risk. Means he acknowledged the women and men who brave the danger, means who faced the danger to help others at far greater risk, means even in the danger who helped, for those he tributed them. And every 19th August is set aside by the United Nations as a day to honor the work of humanitarian workers. And the theme of 2016 commemoration was One Humanity, which was held at the General Assembly Hall in New York. So this is how Ban Ki-moon says about World Humanitarian Day. Next, he speaks about the background of the Biafra War. Adichie speaks what is the background of the Biafra War. In 1967, almost 50 years ago, author's parents lived in Suka, a university town in eastern Nigeria. In Nigeria, Biafra War started in 1967. Her parents heard the sound of shelling and gunfire. Because of the war, they heard these sounds and gunfires, and they were very much terrified and horrified. And so frightening means they are afraid very much, so close that they had very little time to pack anything before they ran. Because of the war, they want to run away from the situation, but they had no time to pack what they need. So they ran away without packing anything. They left almost all their belongings behind. Means they did not take away any needs or any basic needs or materials. Next, migration to the another town. Means how Adichi's family migrated to another town and what were the difficulties they faced there. They ended up, means they came to another town. So a town which was already very much crowded because of the Biafra war. Means all the people afraid from their villages, and they ran from their villages and settled in this very crowded town. And they could not find a place to stay. Means Adichi's family did not find any place to stay. And even the refugee camps were also full. So they did not find any places to stay. And her father was desperate. Means Adichi's father, Arthur's father, was very much desperate. Means he was worried. Means he was disgusted and irritated and worried about being out in the open because of the possibility of air raids. Why he was very much worried? Because of air raids. Means the military may fill the bombs from the aeroplanes. That was what he was much afraid of. And he knew a man who was from that town, and the man is nothing but Emmanuel Isiki. Emmanuel lived in a cramped house that was full of people. Means he was already helped many people. He gave the shelter to them, he gave the room to them in order to stay there, because all the persons left their belongings and they came to the town in search of a new life. And let us see the overall summary of this session. That is, Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie was born in Nigeria in 1977, and she is the author of 3 novels, and they are, the first one is Purple Hibiscus, and the second one is Half of a Yellow Sun, and the third one is Americana. And UN Secretary Ban Ki-moon says World Humanitarian Day is annual reminder of the need to act to alleviate the suffering. It is also an occasion to honor the humanitarian workers and volunteers toiling on the front lines of crisis. Her father, means the author's father, was desperate. He was afraid and he was much worried about being out in the open, because he was very much feared and afraid of the air raids which may possibility took in the background of Biafra war. And he knew a man who was from the town, and the man is named as Emmanuel Isike, and he was the friend of Arthur's father. I hope you have understood all this. Thank you very much.